Let me introduce myself. I am CA Pravesh Agi. I completed my CA in 1985 and I am working as a visiting faculty with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and many management institutes and universities in Delhi and NCR.
In this video, I am going to talk about the basic math to get rich by investing in stock market. Now, this is from the overall series of how to become rich by investing in stock markets. And I am CA Pravesh Agi, who will be talking about how to become rich by investing in stock markets in my future videos too. Now let's compare the returns of the stock market versus the returns offered by the fixed deposits. Now let's work out the long-term returns offered by the stock market. Now we all know that Sensex is a benchmark index for the stock market. The value of the Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex was 100 as on 1st April 1979. Today as we speak, on 23rd of January 2018, the Sensex is closed at a level of 36,139. Which means if you have invested 100 on 1st April 1979, so that would be equal to rupees 36,000 as of today. So money has multiplied by 361 times. Now the compounded annualized return works out to be for 39 years to be 16.3%. Now let's compare this return with a fixed deposit in a bank. Let's assume that the fixed deposit has offered a return of 7.5% over the same period, which means if you have invested 100 rupees in 1979, this would be equal to only rupees 1680. So the money has multiplied 17 times as compared to 361 times which the stock market has offered. So in this chart, I have tried to compare the stock market return versus fixed deposit returns. Now, if you focus on this chart, it has a few columns. The first column represents the time frame. The second column says the number of years for which you have invested, and the third and fourth columns talks about the Sensex and fixed deposit respectively. Now, let's focus on the first column. If you had invested your money for 39 years, that is from 1979 to till 2018, that is till date, your 100 rupees would have become 36,000 because the level today, as you speak, is 36,000. Now, it gives you a return of 16.3% and your money has multiplied by 360 times. Now, compare it with the return of a fixed deposit. If you had put your 100 rupees in 1979, it would have become only 1680 rupees and given you a return of 7.5% and your money would have been multiplied by 17 times. Similarly, if you have invested your money in 2005 and remain invested till 2018, that is for 13 years, and the Sensex level was 7,000 as on 2005 and it is 36,000 in 2018. So it has given you a return of 13.5% and your money has multiplied by 5 times. And if you look at the fixed deposit returns, your 100 rupees becomes 256 rupees during this period, gives you a return of 7.5% and your money multiplies by 2.6 times. Now, if you look at the returns offered from a period from 2014 till 2018, that is for 4 years, the Sensex was at 22,000 level in 2014 and it is now 36,000. So which gives you a return of 13.2%, which means that your money has multiplied by 1.6 times. Now as compared to that, if you had invested rupees 100 in 2014 and remain invested till 2018, it would have become 133 rupees. At a rate of 7.5%, it would have given 1.3 times, it would have multiplied your money by 1.3 times. Now this information has been taken from Wikipedia. The level of Sensex has been taken as 36,000, which represents the level as on 23rd of January 2018. Thank you.
Hope you all enjoyed the lecture as much as I did presenting for you. Do add your comments as it is very encouraging and motivating. Please do like and do subscribe. Thank you.